if this is going to be a hydraulic or traction.
Same.
It's pretty quiet, which is making me think it would be a traction machine. It would be the first traction-free elevator that we found here out here, actually. And they're quiet.
Whoa.
These are fixtures.
Interesting. Oh, look at how far back it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's just
Those
to
are
cover
the sensors.
all the door. Oh, because the cab is wider than the opening.
So
Don't usually see that on freighters.
You have a push and pull door close. It does not work.
Yeah.
It works like independent surface. So we'll hold door close. Probably also hold the floor button too.
6,000 pound capacity.
It is,
Traction?
I think.
Yeah, this is definitely traction. Pretty quick at that.
This is nice. We're hitting the sensors. I think those are the switches.
For the door.
Yeah. I don't think the door opens automatically. Oh, it does. You can.
Can you stop it and close it again? No.
Sometimes that'll work if you hold door closed. We'll try that on the basement floor. Probably also push and
Oh,
pull.
pig without pie is just G.
Probably
That's
also
kinda
push
funny.
and hold the floor button. No, no, it doesn't. You know, I wonder what brand elevator
Right? We'll have to check records. Perhaps, I think it's a Schindler.
That'd be interesting if this is a Schindler freight elevator.
Very new one.
Door fixture. I'm going to try to hold the close button.
See if it
And
works.
see if it opens when we get down.
I like how the freight elevator actually runs better than the passenger.
It does. Okay, I'm pushing and holding close. It does not.
All right.
Wow, this thing is really cool.
CJ Anderson interlock. Anyway, that's it.